If you're looking for one of the greatest review apps that you can embed into Shopify as well as Klaviyo, I'm going to show you how to add Judge Me to your Klaviyo account so that it can all be integrated and work in one place. So let's climb straight in. So the first thing we're going to do is jump into Shopify. And now I'm considering that Shopify is connected to Klaviyo in your case. We're going to go down to the App Store on the left-hand side, and here you're going to look for all recommended apps. And we're going to scroll down just here where you'll see the Shopify App Store. Alternatively, you can go and dial in apps.shopify.com. You'll get to the same address. So right over here, we are going to dial in Judge Me. Let's hit enter. You'll see it has come up already. We're going to go ahead and install this. So it's the Judge Me product review app. You can also access it by going to judge.me, and you can just say install now or sign into store, and you'll be able to integrate it into your Shopify store. So let's go and click on install. By far the easiest way is to go through Shopify and install Judge Me into Shopify. So once this has been installed, you'll have to give it permissions now. Just click on install over here, and of course, you can review the permissions, but they're pretty standard. You're going to go ahead and click on install, and the very next page, you will be able to now see on the left-hand side that you have Judge Me installed. What you want to do is, once you've clicked on it, you'll see some general settings. Let's go down and open those general settings, and it should display over here. Now from here, you're going to go and look for integrations right at the top over here. Okay, so let's just click on integrations, and you'll see on the left hand side there's a few categories. So you can either search the app or you can go to email marketing. Whichever way, you will be looking for Klaviyo, of course. Now from here, you should be able to click on connect. Now you do need to have a Judge Me plan in place, but from here Judge Me will request an API from Klaviyo. So let's go to Klaviyo on our home page over here, and you're going to go down to your name, and you're going to click on the little arrows, go to settings, and from settings under account you will see API keys, and here you are going to create a private API key on the right hand side. So let's click on create, and we are now going to create this API key. So let's name it Judge Me, and you are going to give it full access. Now there's a lot of things that you can do with this integration, so my suggestion is just giving it full access. You can of course manage the access. Let's go ahead, click on create. It has now been created. You can now see this is it. You're going to click on the copy key. And once you go back into the Judge Me app over here within your Shopify store, when you click connect, you'll have to add this API key, and your Judge Me app will be integrated with your Klaviyo account.